So there's like literally people staring at me, so I love that. So I'm on a Ferris wheel and I'm gonna do my makeup. Alright. We gotta do this girl quick, you know? Oh look, tart. I actually don't like heights, just letting you guys know. We're using my phone as a mirror right now. Okay. So I'm using the Tarte BB cream, the Amazon Clay one, because I wanted to get their foundation, but I was poor when I bought it, and it was like $10 cheaper, like to be completely honest. Please tell me where it's not blended.
Forehead.
Well, yeah. Oh.
This is also a good idea. I think it's cute.
Ah, that sound, I don't like it. Okay. We're using the Anastasia contour kit and I'm setting my face with the banana powder. Yeah, this little girly. This is literally gonna turn out awful.
Gotta get that.
Why are we still stopped? I'm using a mirror. I'm using this mirror. Hi, friends. This is good. Now we're doing some inner corner highlight.
Okay, contour.
Some of this. Ah! Okay. Okay. We're doing this quick. We're doing this quick. Okay.
Move on,
Use big
bitch.
brush.
Contour that shit. Oh my god.
Oh no, we're gonna get off.
Contour that shit.
We're in like 3.
Okay. Clean up my contour. Uh-oh. I'm just throwing that in my bag. There's no top. Ah. Blush. You know? This is not the brush for blush, but... Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck me. Oh, no.
Mary, we're next.
We're next.
Put that highlight on and then you're good. This bitch really did it. She's gonna do it.
Okay, wait.
She's gonna be like, hold on, I'm not ready. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All we needed left was the lipstick.
Mary, your highlight.
It's finger mark.
No, but that was a good job.
You did good.
I could not do that. I'd be still doing my eyebrows.
Honestly.
My lipstick too flat.
Do you need it to be a picture or part of the video?
I can just take a screen. I do my outro. Okay, so I finished my makeup. So this is it. So it looks literally awful, and I did that in literally 4 minutes. And now I'm going to work like this. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.